Hi, thanks for coming back. It's Matt here again with mywebbro.com, and today I want to take a quick look at the Google Developer Suite page speed tool. So the Google Developer Suite is a set of tools that Google allows website builders and web developers to use to help make their websites more internet friendly. And one of those tools is the page speed tool. So if you go to developers.google.com, go to the search there and you'll see page speed tools pops up, and then you're at the page speed tools page. So what I want to do today is use the page speed tool to take a look at a website that's going to get a lot of exposure this weekend in our area. So let's go ahead and push the button Run Insights, and it's asking us to enter a web page URL. So I want to look at Comic-Con's front page. It's comic-con.org. So Comic-Con is this cool, festival about comic books and superheroes, and it's located in the city of San Diego this weekend, the weekend of July 20th. So we're expecting probably 1,000 people. I would say probably around 1,000 people an hour for the next 70 to 80 hours to hit this website. I mean, that's probably what we're predicting. So that being said, it should be a fast website and it should be very user friendly. So here it is. This is the front page, comiccon.org, comic-con.org. I apologize. And you can see this is not a WordPress website. So right off the bat, you can tell it's not a WordPress website. There's something different about it. It's got a different look to it, doesn't it? So I get curious when I look at a website right away, how do they build it? And right away, we go to BuiltWith.com like we have been, and I do and I analyze it with BuiltWith, and I find that comic-con.org is built using Drupal. So Drupal's cool. I don't get very many opportunities to show you guys Drupal. And the reason for that, and I'll show you here, Drupal, according to BuiltWith, Drupal accounts for, it says there's about 700,000 websites using Drupal in their records. Well, anyway, on Wikipedia here, you can see that they estimate about 2.3% of all websites worldwide are Drupal websites. So that number is probably pretty accurate. And here you can see this cool chart from BuiltWith. You can see that the top 1 million websites this year, according to traffic, of the top 1 million websites, somewhere on average of about 25,000 of them were built on Drupal. So not very many, in other words. And then I want to give a quick shout out to BuiltWith. BuiltWith is an awesome company. They're celebrating their 10-year anniversary this week, actually. So they started in July of 2007. And a big shout out to Gary Brewer of BuiltWith and his 10-year anniversary. So good job, man. I really appreciate what you do. So going back to the Comic-Con website, this Drupal website we were talking about has a lot of stuff, a lot of meat and potatoes here. We've got, you can purchase here, you can register, you can see all information about hotels, exclusives, disabled services. So it's a really massive, massive website built on the Drupal platform. And Drupal is pretty well known for being a free, easy to use content management system that enables a developer to put together a website with membership, subscription, logging in, a client portal essentially. So it enables you to do that without building like a WordPress database or something. So here you're looking at Wikipedia's description of Drupal, and they're saying that it's a free and open source content management framework written in PHP, distributed under the GNU. So PHP, HTML5, JavaScript, Bootstrap, these are all technologies that we're using to build websites right now, and Drupal is one of them. So let's go ahead and get to it. The page speed tool went ahead and rated comic-con.org's homepage here, the landing page, poor. And I think it's okay. It's somebody who's going to Comic-Con or who needs that website is going to use this website regardless of the page speed, I believe. And at this point in time, they're also not necessarily looking for many new customers. What they're doing is just supporting the people who are coming to their event. So here what's cool is you can see they actually scored higher for desktop than they did for mobile, which surprises me. I think for an event like this, a website should be probably built for mobile, and then the desktop version can suffer. So they're kind of actually, they've built for desktop, and the mobile version obviously is suffering somewhat. So, and I don't mean to be critical. This website is not slow. It's not, even though it's not rating high, it's really not a slow website. It's fast enough, and that the things that you need are right there. In fact, let's take a quick look at it, inspect it for mobile really quick, just so you can see what I mean. Right, so don't get me wrong, it's not beautiful. It's actually kind of just functional. But here's the mobile version, and so what you'd want to do is, if you were someone going to this event, right, on your mobile device, you would want to be able to just find the things that that you're looking for at the event. So what that means, I guess, is you're looking for things like booths and stuff, guest speakers and stuff. And actually, it's funny, right off the bat here, I'm not able to just find what I'm looking for. Let's see if I can find it here. Let's see what this event's about. Oh, no, you know, so we got to go right into San Diego, attending the show. Oh, here's a cool little drop-down box. Oh, here we go. So exhibit hall, programs, and guests. Okay, so here we can check out programs. Whew, it's like reading a book. Jeez Louise. So you guys, I think that we're taking a quick look at this website, and we're determining that this thing could be better, couldn't it? But anyway, that's not the point. The point here is to look at the page speed tool. So here it says some possible optimizations to fix this website could be to leverage browser caching, to eliminate render blocking. Oh, and above the fold content. That's actually fairly common. Optimizing images. And we saw on the desktop version of that website, there's a lot of background images and stuff. You can't really see it there. Let me see where I was seeing that. So let's see. I guess they're saying that some of these images need to be optimized for web. So we could figure that out if we looked into it a little bit more. And minifying JavaScript. So minifying CSS, HTML5, and JavaScript is something that Google now is prompting people to start doing. So, and and here's some optimizations that have been found. Cool. Oh yeah, so here you go. Minify CSS, minify HTML, enable compression. Again, not to be too critical, a 60 out of 100 scoring poor, it's not the end of the world. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's search some of the biggest guys in the world, right? Amazon.com isn't losing customers to page speed score, and let me show you how they rank. If they rank higher than a 70, I would be pretty surprised. Mobile a 52, right? And desktop a 61. So this is one of the biggest players in e-commerce right now, and they're not too concerned about scoring a 52 right now. And this Google tool is not, it's analyzing so many things, and what it's not doing is telling you all the good things. It's just telling you the bad things. So let me show you what I mean, and let's just look at Google, right? If Google's so good, let's see how Google's website scores. All right, so 79 out of 100 for their mobile, and look at their desktop, 92 out of 100. So let's see what another big player in the industry, Yahoo, let's see what they look like. 64 out of 100 and 73 out of 100. So anyway, my point was, if you're a business owner, you want to audit your website, take a quick look, you have something to talk to your internet marketing specialist about. Thanks for coming back, guys. Have a great day. Bye.